What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today's another Gele tutorial, so keep your eyes locked in and keep watching. So today I am going to use ashoke. Yes, we're still at ashoke. You want to take your ashoke this time around, take it and just divide it into two, like so. Split it into two all the way, right? And then you're just gonna like crumple it up a little bit, not too much, right? And then you're dividing it into 40-60. You're gonna place that on your head, like so. And then tuck this one, smaller hand in, tuck it in like so. So bring it in to the loop. Okay, so you're having something like this. Make sure to always try and bring these two together, okay? And try and make them go slightly over each other. And then tighten it. Okay? So that's tight. Get the smaller one. And you want to just nicely throw that away to the back. Right, and then get our next one, open it up, right, and open that up nicely, and just get the end of it and pin it all the way to the back. Okay, nice and neat. Okay, and then we do the same here because we don't want our Gele shifting, right? Make sure to arrange this properly. Just bring the pleats over each other like that. Twist it and just place it. And here, open it now. Okay, come back, adjust your Gele. Okay, and that's it. So shift it to the middle, and that shouldn't happen, but let's shift it back and make sure that's secured. And that's it. That's the end of today's tutorial video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I upload new content. Do not forget, you can always ask your question in the comment box down below. I am always out here watching out for your comments, so you definitely get a response. This ain't a robotic channel. You definitely get a response if you put a comment down below and you leave a question. I'll definitely give you an answer. Okay, so I will see you guys in the comment down below. Stay tuned and watch other Gele tutorial videos that I have put in my playlist. Enjoy. Bye.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star.